A carpenter was working hard to divide a log into two parts. He was sawing from morning to noon but was able to cut only halfway through. He was hungry, so he pushed a wedge into the split and went for lunch. A monkey was watching the carpenter. He became curious of the wedge. He climbed down from the tree and went up to the log. He tried to pull the wedge. He did not. Failed. He sat on the log with legs on each side. The tail was dangling down through the split. He tried again and again. All of a sudden, the wedge came out. The logs struck together with a snap, cutting off the dancing tail with it. The monkey lost its tail because of his curiosity. Look before you reap.